Where does a double net lease fit between a simple lease and a triple net lease? A double net lease, sometimes called an NN lease, splits property costs between landlord and tenant, but not all of them. Under this lease, the tenant pays two of the big three expenses: property taxes and building insurance. The landlord keeps the third responsibility, maintaining the physical structure and common areas. That's the key difference from a triple net lease, where the tenant covers taxes, insurance, and maintenance. In a double net deal, the landlord still budgets for roof repairs, parking lot upkeep, and structural fixes. For tenants, it means lower rent responsibility than triple net, but still sharing in the ongoing costs. For landlords, it's more involvement than triple net, but less risk than a fully gross lease. You'll often see double net leases in multi-tenant retail strips or office buildings with shared systems. Because maintenance stays with the landlord, cash flow can be less predictable than a true triple net investment. That's one reason many single-tenant investors prefer triple net leases: fewer surprise repair bills. Still, double net leases can work well when a landlord wants more control over how the property is maintained. Always read the lease carefully. Double net isn't standardized, so responsibilities can shift deal to deal. Compare the rent, the expense split, and who handles capital repairs before assuming it matches expectations. Understanding where a lease falls on the net lease spectrum helps you price risk and cash flow accurately. This is educational, not investment advice. Always consult a qualified professional.